How is it going, everybody? I hope you're having a wonderful day as always. And as always, thank each and every one of you so very much for stopping by. Today we have some exciting news about something we've done before and we're going to do again. What is that? Stay tuned and I'll get with you in just a second about that. And what I want to know is, who designed this car so that the filler neck is on that side of the car rather than this side of the car? Got her all filled up. Gas sure isn't coming down any in this part of the country, let me tell you that. High test, boy. But back to the purpose of this video. Yes, exciting news. We've done it before. No, it's not costly, expensive, high horsepower mods. No, something that people actually enjoy a little bit better. And what is that? Well, it gives you, the subscriber, you the viewer, an opportunity to get involved in the video. And we've done it before, like I said. What is it? You, the subscriber, you the viewer, send in a photograph or 3, let's limit it to 4, no more than 4 photos of your ride. Now if you have a couple of rides, then it's 4 per ride. I'm not going to be super strict on the count, but I'm trying to limit it. So if you've got 2 vehicles, no more than 8 photos. Oh, nice Monte Carlo Super Sport just went by as I was talking. And, you know, if you got 3 vehicles, no more than 12 photos. But I'm not going to be super strict on the what kind of vehicle it is. It could be anything. Does not matter if it's a favorite family car that has been in your family. It does not matter if it is, see, told you, Monte Carlo Super Sport. Got a workhead one of those for sale, $3,500. I should have bought it. It was the red one. But all I am asking is that it belong to either you or your family. That's it. It doesn't matter if it is a present day car or a past vehicle. I don't care. Like I said, I'm not being super strict. This is about you. All I am asking is that either you or your family has owned it. You send it in. I don't care if it's a car, a truck. I don't even care if it's a freaking boat. Okay? Whoa. Trying to shift and drive at the same time don't work, does it? I don't care if it's a boat, a motorcycle, a scooter, a Vespa, a Lambretta. I don't care. Like I said, it's all about you guys and gals. And I don't care if you've sent them in before. You know, like I said, this is all about you. So, get them in. I will be, by now you've already seen it, the email down here at the bottom, as always, so that you can get it into me, have somewhere to send it. Come on, you can do it. Freaking Hondas. Now watch it. Watch me get 100 Honda photos. Again, the rules are very simple. No more than 4 photos, and either you or somebody in your family has to have owned the vehicle. It does not matter if you sent them in before. I don't care. It's all about you. The email is by now in the bottom of the video so you can see it. So get your rides in. It doesn't matter. Airplane, I don't care. Jet, fighter plane, whatever you drive that belongs to you. And I know fighter plane is a little, nobody technically owns a fighter plane. It belongs to the military and U.S. government. But I'm going to stretch that just a little bit because you paid the price to get to fly that thing. So as long as you're flying it, technically you own it, because they ain't gonna let anybody else fly it. You know, you're the one that's responsible for it. So I will stretch it for you guys, because without, you know, our armed services, our military, our first responders, our Coast Guard, all them people. None of this is even possible. I wouldn't be able to sit here and do this. I wouldn't be able to sit here and drive the cars that I drive, live the American dream. So I'm gonna quit rambling, I'm gonna quit babbling, get them in. I'll leave it open for a couple weeks. I'm not gonna be real strict on it. Today's date, I'll give you 3 weeks. How about that? 3 weeks to get them in, and then it'll take me a couple weeks to get them sorted out, find the music I want to use and all that good stuff. So we'll be three weeks from the day that I post this video. I can't even talk. 3 weeks from the time that I post this video to get your photos in, and it'll take me a couple weeks after that to get everything ready and going, and be on the lookout for it. Because like I said, it's all about you, and I'd like to thank you in advance for sending them in. Each time it's a big hit. It goes over very well. Everybody loves it, and it's been so popular I've actually had a couple people asking me to do another video. That, you know, you guys and gals like it so much, and I appreciate that. I really do. So get them in, and we'll see you in the next one. You guys get out there and enjoy that car, get them photos, and be on the lookout.